Ladies and gentlemen, it's my honor to introduce to you the newest ABS-CBN leading lady, ang walang katulad, si Miss Casey Concepcion.
Thank you. Thanks,
Wow. And napalitaan namin that you have a surprise.
Thank you.
Wow. Napalitaan namin that you have another surprise para sa lahat ng kapamilya natin. Casey, you want to talk about it?
Yes, super happy po ako and excited to do this project because acting po na to.
Congratulations sa MMK nga pala, napakagaling mo.
Thank you.
Wow.
Sa nood niyo yun, super 200% po yung energy na pinigay ko doon. This naman now, for my birthday month, birthday ko April 7, is my first drama anthology for TV.
Wow.
So this is called I Am Casey, and this is premiering March 29. Every Saturday po yan, 4 episodes po with 4 different directors and 4 different genres. So different co-stars na rin po yan, iba-ibang cast. And, yeah.
Right, we heard na nag-tape ka na already for
Yes, your first taping last March 15 for Palenque Queen.
the first episode, right?
Kasama mo dyan si... dito.
It's
Uy, ka-all in.
Happens for the first episode.
Ayan,
Kamay.
uy, ang ganda ng bulaklak. In fairness,
Parang mas maganda yung sa kanya.
Ay, ang masasabi ko, at nako, ang ganda namin sa palengke. Mukha ba kaming magmami? Of course naman. Diyos ko, sa seryoso po lang magkakamali na hindi tayo. Lahat nakuha ko sa'yo, Tim. Ako lahat, mata, ilong, bibig.
Wow.
Chin. Okay?
Pati talent,
So, yes.
So this is directed by...
Gandorama?
please invite them for your anthology. Wow.
Yes. Okay, so ito na po yung details. March 29 po yan mag-uumpisa. Comedy episode po yan with Miss Ai. April 5, romance episode po siya with Mr. Albert Martinez and Luis Manzano. Directed by Andoy Ranay. April 12, fantasy episode with Makisig, directed by Jerry Lopez Sineneng, yung nag-direct po ng MMK ko. April 19, dance musical episode with... Abangan niyo po ang I Am Casey. March 29 na po siya mag-uumpisa.
Maraming salamat. Magbabalik pa rin po.